My name is Manognya and I handle client solutions and business development here at Vahura. I'm a law graduate from the Nalsar University of Law, and I'm also an LLM holder from the University of California, Los Angeles. So as you can tell, I am a qualified lawyer, but I'm one of those people who's decided to use my legal education and also discover a route into business and entrepreneurship as well. Now, coming with that kind of interest, which is not something that you necessarily get to learn a lot about in law school, Vahura actually provided me and continues to provide me the perfect platform to not only learn more about how my legal education comes in handy in a business, a specialized business, especially as a legal search, but at the same time, it also provides me with enough flexibility to be able to run another venture of my own on the side, as well as engage with a number of interesting people who either come from hardcore legal backgrounds or are people who are a lot like me and are trying to discover how to use their legal education in the business and entrepreneurial world as well. My interest with Vahura really began as a candidate or as a professional, as we like to call them. I was fresh from college and I was looking for a job, and I actually came to Vahura twice, which is probably the reason why I've also gotten to know a lot of people at Vahura even before I had started working here. The fact that people at Vahura, the fact that Vahura's culture really encourages respect regardless of where you're coming from and the kind of pedigree, so to say, that you have, was something that really appealed to me. And the minute you realize that you're working with people who respect you, that automatically changes the entire game for you as well, and you automatically come to the table bringing your best. With all this in mind, I was extremely humbled and excited when Vahura offered the opportunity for me to work with them. I was skeptical as well because, as I mentioned earlier, I do have a consultancy of my own. So I did wonder if working with something as fast-paced as Vahura would take away time and not allow me to prioritize the things that I'm most passionate about. But I'm very, very grateful to say that Vahura is one of those few places, it's one of those few spaces where the people that really understand what you bring to the table and what you want to do with your life. And as a result, Vahura has been kind enough and good enough to give me the flexibility that I need, but at the same time not compromise in any way the kind of growth that I can have at